peeps, I'm here to share with you an unboxing of, this is the May cherry box. So I have never received one of these before. This is my first subscription box from a cherry on top, and there are different levels of subscription, or you can buy one off. So this would be $34, I believe. So here we go. This is May. So you get 12 by 12 papers, and there's always a mix of things. And look at this mixed media. Yay! I'm excited to try these. All right, so it always comes very nicely. Everything from a cherry on top always has cardboard, which is really cool because your papers are less likely to bend and warp. So I really appreciate that. And right off the bat, I am noticing that you get a paintbrush as well, which I also appreciate, because when you get mixed media, it's nice to have things to play with right away, right? So you get these pearlescent watercolors. So let me very ceremoniously show you. Look at those colors. Ooh, and there's a brush that goes with it, and it fits nicely in there. Well, not quite, but perfect for, and it has a nice little squishy handle. So yeah, that will be fun. So what appealed to me about this box is this is out of the box for me. I have never played with any of this stuff from Memory Place, and so this is going to be my first chance to do that. So you get the Enchanted collection pack, which is 12 double-sided papers, 6 designs, 2 sheets each. So let's go through this together. So you are going to have 2 sheets of this. So you've got these tags and cut aparts with some phrases, as well as that really cool mixed media sort of painted pattern. Then you have these butterflies and a cool wood grain. And I love that it says leave a little sparkle wherever you go. That's the strip down the bottom. Then you have this newsprint with this oldie worldy with poppies little motif there, followed by another wood grain. Then you have this lovely little garden hanging scene with another one of those older, sort of more vintage things, and bring a little sunshine, leave a little magic, followed by a nice B-side floral. Then I love these fairies, these little nymphs, and some French. It's really cool. And then a painted sort of patina background. Some florals, and then tags with more of these fun little fairies. So that is the paper collection for this month. Whoops. And then you get the washi that coordinates with this. So let me just show you. Wow, that's really well wrapped. Show you some of the washi. So I will put my hand behind it, and hopefully, whoops, with these bright lights you can see that. And what would probably be better is if I were to put it on a strip of white paper. So lots of florals and butterflies. Isn't that cool? Yeah. So that's the washi that coordinates. And then you've got these Kaiser Craft mini paper blooms that will also go really nicely with that. So I'll just kind of bring them back to life and reshape them. And then you have the ephemera that goes with this as well. And so you can see from the back here, you're going to have some phrases, some butterflies. There's one of these little fairies. And so you've got phrases as well. Some other fairies. Whoop, caught on each other. Magical, sparkle. Oh, cool. You have a little frame. tree, and then various other bits and pieces in there. And so that, I think I said already, is 24 pieces, and then that is the close-up of what is available in there. And I'll set that aside. Let's see what else we have. Oh, we get the origami, 4 designs, 6 sheets. Cool. So with the origami, so more pattern paper really, and it's thin, it's nice. That's a fun floral. So that would actually be fun to put down with some gesso. Ooh, getting all kinds of ideas. And then there's the painted background and the butterflies. I don't do origami. Not that I can't do origami, but yeah. That's that's something I never would have thought to buy for myself. So that's what's kind of neat about these subscription boxes is it pushes you out of your comfort zone to try new things. And then these are the journal cards that go with the collection as well, the Enchanted collection from Memory Place. And so you have, I like that they come this way too. So life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale, and then that's on the back of that. Then you get Stay Magical, and that is on the back of that. So I like that you have phrases as well as somewhere where you can journal. Enchanted with a little fun fairy there, and then that is the journal card. And then this is the 4th one, so more of that floral followed by the paint. So pretty cool. I definitely am looking forward to creating with this. And if you have any questions about the subscription box, please don't hesitate to leave them in the box down below. I will see if I can answer them for you. And stay tuned for all of my creations. Thanks for stopping in today. Take care.